Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sabyasachi Bhowal. I had done consent workshop with Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja in first. It was more than a consent. I would like to say this is more about the basic of the practice management because sir has emphasized very much on the first consultation as always. How important the first consultation and the consent is not a piece of paper which to be signed by us and the patient. It is a legal documentation which we first describe the patient, and when we and the patients are on the same page, we do this the legal procedure. And sir has described beautifully the portions how to be made, and not so long and not so short, and how to be aptly done. And moreover, I would like to suggest everyone, because in this tough time of medical legal days, this consent is very much important, which can save us in the court. So I request everyone which we were on the board, congratulations, and who are on the boundary, please do the course by Bhavdeep sir. And more sir is a person who uh, promises less but deliver more over that. So it is beneficial for everyone. Thank you.